Hey everyone, welcome back to NextLux Reviews, where luxury meets innovation and we explore the most futuristic machines on the planet. Today, I've got something absolutely mind-blowing for you. Something that's not just a vehicle, but a moving piece of art. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the Bugatti Motorhome 2027, the world's most advanced electric and solar-powered luxury motorhome. Now, I know what you're thinking. Bugatti and motorhome in the same sentence? That's right. Bugatti has entered the luxury RV world, and trust me, this machine redefines what a motorhome can be. Just one look at it and you know, this isn't your regular motorhome. This is a road beast that looks like it came straight from the year 2050. Sleek, aerodynamic, and crafted with that signature Bugatti DNA, the 2027 motorhome is turning every head wherever it goes. The body design. Pure elegance with aggression. You get that iconic Bugatti horseshoe grille in the front, futuristic LED light strips running along the body, and that ultra-polished deep red chrome finish that screams luxury and power. The exterior, because honestly, you could spend hours just admiring the details. The front face is inspired by the Bugatti Chiron, with sculpted lines, a low-slung aerodynamic stance, and adaptive LED matrix headlights that seem alive when they light up. It's not just about looks, though. Every curve and vent is functional, designed to optimize airflow and reduce drag. And those wheels, oh man, they're something else. Bugatti's custom 10-spoke alloy wheels, massive in size, wrapped in low-resistance tires built to handle high-speed touring. Each wheel has its own independent suspension system, giving you an incredibly smooth ride even at top speeds. You'll even notice the carbon fiber fenders and side skirts that make this motorhome look like a supercar on steroids. Now, if we move towards the back, that's where you see Bugatti's true design intelligence. The rear design flows beautifully with LED taillight strips, a panoramic rear glass wall, and a built-in spoiler that not only looks stunning, but helps stabilize the vehicle at highway speeds. There's also a fully automated rear door that opens to reveal hidden compartments for electric charging, water storage, and solar battery modules. Speaking of power, let's talk about what makes this beast move. Underneath that sculpted shell lies a dual power system, a next-generation electric drivetrain combined with integrated solar energy panels. The roof and side panels are covered in high-efficiency solar cells that constantly recharge the onboard batteries, even while you're driving. The Bugatti Motorhome 2027 can deliver over 1,200 horsepower, all electric, giving you acceleration that feels unreal for a vehicle this size. It goes from 0 to 60 in just under 5.8 seconds. Yes, a motorhome doing that. And the top speed is electronically limited to 155 mph. Because honestly, it's not about racing, it's about luxury travel at its finest, with a range of nearly 800 miles on a full charge, plus solar assistance extending it even further. This is one of the most efficient and eco-friendly motorhomes ever made. Now, step inside, and this is where the magic really begins. The moment those automatic glass doors slide open, you're greeted by an interior that feels more like a private jet than a motorhome. The entire cabin is wrapped in the finest materials: Italian leather, carbon fiber trims, and handcrafted wood accents. There's soft ambient lighting running along the ceiling that adjusts automatically depending on the time of day, giving you that perfect relaxing vibe. On the main floor, you have a spacious living area that comfortably fits up to 6 people. Bugatti designed it like a modern lounge, a combination of technology, comfort, and elegance. The seats are fully reclinable and come with built-in massagers and temperature control. You've got a huge panoramic window on both sides, giving you a 180-degree outside view wherever you park. Now, let's talk about the kitchen area, because this is not your regular small RV kitchen. It's a full gourmet setup. You've got induction cooktops, a built-in oven, smart refrigerator, automated coffee machine, and even a self-cleaning counter surface. Everything is touch-controlled and synced with the Bugatti Smart Hub system, so you can control lighting, temperature, and appliances from the digital dashboard or even your phone. Next up is the bedroom area. And let me tell you, it's beyond luxury. The Master Suite features a king-size bed with memory foam, ambient lighting, and a full-glass ceiling that lets you gaze at the stars at night. You've got climate control, automated blinds, and even a surround sound system integrated into the walls. It's basically a 5-star hotel room on wheels. Attached to that, there's a luxury washroom. And yes, it's every bit as premium as you'd imagine. Full-sized shower cabin with rainfall shower, heated mirrors, smart toilet system, and marble finishing. Bugatti has literally thought of every detail to make this the most comfortable on-road experience possible. Upstairs, there's even more space. The second level houses a small lounge and entertainment zone. You get a 65-inch OLED screen, surround sound, a minibar, and panoramic glass windows that give you that futuristic spaceship feel. And the best part? There's a glass staircase connecting both floors, designed with LED light trails running along every step. It's one of the most jaw-dropping interiors you'll ever see in a motorhome. But what makes it even more impressive is the technology that powers the entire setup. The Bugatti Motorhome 2027 runs on a fully integrated AI control system that learns your driving habits, adjusts energy usage, and even helps plan your routes based on charging stations and weather conditions. The dashboard is fully digital, with holographic projection displays that show speed, navigation, and battery health in real time. Bugatti didn't just make a motorhome, they made a smart luxury home that moves. You've got voice-activated controls for everything: lighting, shades, entertainment, even the kitchen appliances. And security? Top tier. Biometric access only, multiple cameras with 360-degree coverage, and a built-in Bugatti Guardian system that uses radar and sensors to detect nearby motion and ensure your safety even when parked. Now, let's talk about performance on the road. Despite its massive size, the Bugatti Motorhome 2027 drives smoother than most SUVs. Thanks to its advanced all-wheel drive system and adaptive air suspension, it automatically adjusts to any terrain: highways, hills, or even rough countryside roads. It's whisper quiet on the inside, thanks to active noise cancellation and triple-layer insulation. You literally feel like you're floating through the world. And of course, Bugatti's attention to detail is everywhere. Even the brake lights pulse dynamically when you slow down, and the roof can open partially to create an open-air terrace feel. It's not just about traveling. It's about experiencing luxury and freedom like never before. Now, I know the question everyone's asking: how much does it cost? Well, the Bugatti Motorhome 2027 comes with a starting price of around $5.5 million USD. Yeah, it's not cheap, but then again, this is Bugatti. It's not made for everyone. It's made for those who want the ultimate blend of technology, comfort, and design. And considering the performance and craftsmanship, it's worth every single dollar. Owning one of these is like owning a moving mansion that can outshine anything on the road. From the design to the innovation, Bugatti has proven once again that they're not just making vehicles, they're creating experiences. So, yeah, if you ever see this masterpiece cruising down the highways of California, London, or Toronto, you'll know it's not just another motorhome. It's a Bugatti, redefining travel, luxury, and the future of mobility. And that's the Bugatti Motorhome 2027. My friends, a dream on wheels that brings together luxury, sustainability, and futuristic innovation in one breathtaking package. If you loved this review and want to see more futuristic luxury vehicles like this one, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to NextLux Reviews, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next big one. Because here at NextLux, we don't just show vehicles, we show the future. Thanks for watching. Stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next one.